Historical research is a type of study that seeks to understand past events, processes, or phenomena by examining existing records, documents, and other sources of information from earlier times. It involves the systematic investigation of historical data to draw conclusions about the past, uncover patterns, and gain insights into how historical events have shaped the present. Historical research is often used in fields such as history, sociology, political science, and archaeology, where understanding past human behavior, cultural developments, and societal changes is essential for interpreting contemporary issues. This methodology primarily relies on primary and secondary sources, such as archival records, letters, official documents, and oral histories. The purpose of historical research is to explore and interpret past events, to understand their causes, consequences, and significance. It aims to reconstruct historical facts and processes in a way that provides a coherent narrative of the past. For example, historical research might examine the causes of a specific war, the rise and fall of political movements, or the impact of technological advancements on society. By studying the past, researchers can better understand the forces that have shaped current social, political, and economic conditions. Additionally, historical research helps preserve the memory of cultural practices, ideas, and events that may otherwise be lost over time. Historical research is characterized by its focus on collecting and analyzing data from past records and artifacts to create an accurate and comprehensive account of historical events. This research typically involves the use of primary sources, first-hand accounts, or direct evidence from the time being studied, such as letters, diaries, government documents, and photographs. Secondary sources, which are interpretations or analyses of primary data, such as books or journal articles, are also crucial in providing context. The researcher must critically analyze these sources for authenticity, bias, and reliability, as historical documents often reflect the perspectives and limitations of their creators. The goal is to synthesize the information to form an informed understanding of historical events. Historical research plays a crucial role in helping us understand how past events have shaped the present and how they might influence the future. By studying history, researchers can uncover patterns and recurring themes, providing valuable insights into human behavior, societal trends, and political dynamics. This can be particularly important for addressing contemporary issues by learning from past successes and failures. For example, understanding the history of civil rights movements can inform current social justice initiatives, while studying past economic recessions can guide policy responses to future financial crises. Historical research also contributes to the preservation of cultural heritage, offering insights into the customs, values, and traditions of different societies. Historical research is not without its challenges and limitations. One of the primary difficulties is the scarcity or inaccessibility of primary sources, especially for events that occurred long ago or in cultures that did not maintain extensive written records. Furthermore, historical sources are often incomplete, fragmented, or biased, which can make it difficult for researchers to draw definitive conclusions. The researcher's interpretation of historical events is also influenced by their own context and perspective, which can introduce bias into the analysis. Additionally, historical research can be time-consuming, requiring extensive investigation of archives, documents, and other resources. Despite these challenges, historical research remains a critical methodology for understanding the past and its impact on contemporary society. In conclusion, historical research is a valuable tool for understanding past events, social structures, and cultural developments, offering insights that are essential for interpreting the present. By examining primary and secondary sources, researchers can reconstruct and analyze historical narratives, shedding light on how historical processes have shaped modern-day issues. While historical research faces challenges such as limited or biased sources, its importance in preserving history and informing current debates makes it an indispensable part of scholarly inquiry.